Probably seen this brand on the internet, and there's a video that's got a white version. It's called, well, the reason I'm showing you this version, took a marker, got colored this one because I wanted some detail, and use paint later. Same here. Still wondering why the heck does he have a metal jack here? Alright, I'll show you. See, it's on. Now it's switching the signal. This, if you can tell, the phone adjusts the camera. This says, see if my phone can adjust. I'll hold my thumb on each corner. Phone adjusts. Nope. Well, that's an aux cord. Oh, wait a minute, it does. That's the aux cord for out sound. I mean, in sound for your headphones. Like, plug your phone in that doesn't have Bluetooth. That's the power jack. Same one as your PlayStation 3. Now you can see the aux logo. That's an input I wired in for in reverse. So it's an output sound. Why? So you can dual out sound.